Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to AppSec online support program. Let's have a quick recap of the previously studied topic, headers and footers. You have already learned to apply header and footer with its modifications, adding and formatting of page numbers, date and time, showing and hiding the non-printable special characters. Our today's topic is Task 3, HTML and PDF. Lesson objectives are: students shall be able to make HTML and PDF files. General success criteria is completion of assigned written work and worksheets independently within time. Present written work in clear and legible handwriting. Avoid overwriting and spelling mistakes. Perform practical within the given time. Let's have a quick overview of today's lecture. Creation and formatting of HTML file. Creation of PDF file. Important points, copy work, and hands-on. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is a language of World Wide Web. It contains text, tables, images, audios, videos, and any other content of your choice. It is used to create web pages that are displayed over the internet. Web browser is a software that displays websites, for example Firefox, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, UC Browser, etc. Hypertext Markup Language is a coded language for World Wide Web. When you save a document in web format, the program converts it so that all web browsers can display it. Here are some steps to create a HTML file. I have created MS Word file. To save it, go to File menu, click on Save As option, click the desired location where you want to store it. Here you can see file name is Pakistan, and there are multiple options in Save As type. I am selecting web page. Click on it. Here you can change the title which you want to display in the title bar of your web page. Click on it. I have written my first web page and click on OK. After that, click on Save button. Your file has been saved as HTML file. Let's see, there are different layouts. In web layout, how your web page will be displayed over the internet. This is the print layout or the normal view, and this is your web layout. Now let's see how we can format a web page. To format the web page, there are multiple options. I am using MS Word 2013 version, so my settings are a bit different than the mentioned in your book. Let's see how. For you will go to page layout and find the page background group. Click on page color. In my case, I will go to design tab, and here you can see the page color. There are 256 standard colors, and you can create millions of your own choice. Click on more colors. There are standard colors, and here are custom colors. You can create the color of your own choice. You may have heard the terminology of 16-bit color palette and 32-bit color palette. A 16-bit color palette contains 65,536 colors, whereas a 32-bit color palette contains more than 16 million color variations. If you don't like the color, there is another option of fill effect, which has multiple options. For example, gradient, texture, pattern, and picture for your background. Let's discuss them one by one. Gradient is used to select gradually shaded colors. In color section, there are three types of options like single color gradient, two color gradients, and preset, which provides 24 preset colors in a list. Transparency sets the transparency for both the start and end of the gradient. Shading styles, you can select direction or central starting point of the gradient, whereas in variants group, select which colors are displayed in which order. The second option is of texture. It is made from some material. You can select any of your choice. The third option is of pattern. Here you have the opportunity to mix two colors in a specific design, one for foreground and the other is for the background. In picture option, you can set a picture in the background of the page. Now let's see how we can open an HTML file. First of all, save the file again and go to the location where it was saved. There are two options. First one is right click on the file Click on Open With and select Notepad. You have saved a simple Word file, but it is converted to a web page. Let's see HTML code. The other option is mentioned in your book. First, open Notepad. Click on File menu. Click on Open. Select all files. Here is your HTML file. Select the file and click on Open. Here are some important points. You can save a document without using the menu by pressing F12. Don't sit in front of the screen for too long. Try to take a 5-minute break after every 45 minutes of work. Keep in mind that even a Word document can hide a virus. Therefore, always copy the files you get from the trusted source. PDF file. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, which creates professional quality documents. Can be used in any computer and is of very small in size. You don't have to worry about the broken layouts or formatting because it is maintained exactly the same as when it was created. PDF software was introduced by Adobe in 1990s, and this file format is used almost all kind of computers. Here are some steps to save your file as PDF. Open your Word file. Go to the File menu. Click on Save As. Select the desired location. Now, in Save As type, click on PDF. Here you will see multiple options like standard, minimum, options, and open file after publishing. Standard is for high quality printing, whereas minimum size is for smaller size but poor quality. Open file after publishing will open your file immediately after you save it, and in option button give you more options like only publishing a specific Word document page or a range of pages. Here you can see. So click on Save button. So here you can see your PDF file. So with one Word file you have created a web page and a PDF file. Let's summarize the topic. We have learned that HTML file is a web page that can be displayed in a web browser over the internet. We have learned to save a document as web page, given its title, changed its background color, and added effects to the background. Further, we have learned how to open HTML file with Notepad. PDF stands for Portable Document Format to make professional documents. And we have learned the procedure to make a document PDF. Things to do are: you have to note these important points in your copy. Question number 2. What do you know about PDF files or file? Further, you have to perform your hands-on. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.